Scientists are developing an innovative method to build structures on Mars using bacteria capable of transforming Martian soil into a solid, concrete-like material. This technique relies on cooperation between two types of bacteria that can withstand harsh conditions and produce substances that bind soil particles together, offering a practical alternative to transporting building materials from Earth. Researchers believe this breakthrough could pave the way for sustainable human settlement on the Red Planet by using the oxygen and byproducts to support life and agriculture.